Oh, dude, it's big. Whoa, baby. I see ya. Got one. Yeah, it feels like a nicer one. Oh, dude, there's a oh, dude, it's big. Whoa, baby. Oh my gosh.
Nice. There we go. There we go.
Oh my gosh, dude. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Stay on. Woo!
Wow,
Dude.
Holy crap.
There's a bunch more this size in here.
I'm switching to that.
Woo! That's probably a 16 or 17 incher.
That is huge. Let's go. That's pretty, dude.
Oh man. There's nothing like catching a smallmouth bass, dude.
Bro, when you first hooked, I thought you had a rock and then I saw him shaking.
Yeah. Oh man, I love smallies. Thank you, fish. Thank you, fish. Look at Will. See it? Look at that thing in the water, dude.